Hi everyone, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to remove accessibility button menu from OnePlus 9. So as you see, I already got the OnePlus in my hand, and you see there's the little button. So if you want to get rid of it because it's annoying you, all you need to do is just go and you can take it like this. Or if you want to disable it, just go down to the additional settings, click the accessibility tab, click the accessibility menu, and that's it. It's turned off and everything. That's basically it for the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next one.